From the far reaches of the north of Cairo to the southern reaches of Cape Town, we have built a spirit of trust, reliability, and honesty in service delivery. We are called Lolland Automotive Africa. At Lolland Automotive Africa, we have a passion to offer our customers the best of our mechanical engineering services, auto electrical services, vehicle body repairs, and spray painting of all types of vehicles. We sell some of the most genuine Japanese and German vehicle and truck spares available to keep our customers driving safely. We have Japanese and German car engines, Japanese and German car suspension parts, Japanese and German gearboxes, vehicle nose cuts and body parts, engine and gearbox oils. We offer services in routine servicing, mechanical repairs, electrical repairs, engine overhauls, electrical and engine diagnosis, and much more. You can give us a call today on +260 975 653096 or +260 777 577 191. You can visit our workshop along Kasangula Road, Roma, Lusaka, Zambia.
Lolland Automotive Africa, your #1 automotive service care. Automotive service care.